This is Namrata from Samsar Global School, and now we are going to revise all the chapter for our assessment 1. We will start from our first chapter, that is the human body. Okay. So what do you understand by human body? Our body, because we are human. So our body, we have to study about our body, and if we talk about the human body, we have mainly two types of organs in our body. How? First one is external organs. Okay. And second one is internal organs. Okay. So let's talk about the external organs. Start with this. Okay. So what do you understand by external organs? External organs means the organs that you can see by your eyes. See, I am not very good in art, but I will try to show you by a very simple art. Okay, you just try to understand. These are your legs and hands. Okay. So the organs that you can see, they are called external organs, like your head, okay, ear, nose, eyes, hands, legs and mandible. So these are our external organs. If we go through inside our body, if we want to look inside our body, we will be able to see the internal organs, but generally we are not able to see. Only the doctors can recognize or they can show you. So these are the external organs. And when we are talking about the external organs, it is very important to talk about sense organs. What are sense organs? See, if you want to see something, you should have the eyes. Okay, you must have eyes. If you want to smell anything, rather it is a good smell or a bad smell, or something is stinking, you are using your nose. Something is hot or cold, the temperature, okay, so that you can feel by your skin. The taste buds, how many taste buds we have? We have 5 taste buds, and that is in our eyes. Okay, so
Start.
So we have 5 sense organs. Let's start with the top. Ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and fifth one, very important, skin. So these are our sense organs. How we are able to feel the things with these sense organs? Actually, what happens? All the sense organs send messages through a very thin thread-like structures to the brain. These all sense organs sends messages. Okay. They send messages to the brain. How?
Start.
So these sense organs send messages to the brain with a thread-like structure. Thread means a very thin. So they send messages to the brain with a thread through a thread-like structure. Why I am writing these? They are very important. And these thread-like structures are called nerves. So basically these nerves are responsible to send messages from the sense organs to our brain, and these sense organs send messages through these thread-like structures. They are called nerves to the brain. So our brain analyzes these messages and tells us part of the body to act accordingly. Understand? Like suppose you have seen something, you are watching this video. So how your brain will recognize that you need to see this, because your eyes are sending the messages to the brain through these nerves. Then in reverse, the brain is acting according to your eyes. That is why you are able to see all the. Understood? Okay. So we will learn all the sense organs, how they are performing one by one. Let's start with the eyes. So how eyes are performing? Actually, eyes are creating image. Eyes are creating image of any object in front of our eyes. Okay. So they are making any image, whatever you are watching, the image has been made. Image has been made in front of eyes. Then the image or the eyes sends the signals to the brain. Our eyes will send signals to the brain, and then the brain will help to identify that particular object. Understood? Let's revise it. Eyes will create the image of the object in front of it. Then they will send the signals to the nerves.
Start.
Through the nerves, and these nerves are sending the image, this image, to the brain, and then brain will help us to identify that particular object. Okay, so this is the mechanism how our eyes are performing. Okay, so
Start.
so after the eyes, let's talk about ears. How our ears work? See, whatever we are listening, the outer ear collects the sound. Suppose this is your outer ear. This is your outer ear. So this will collect the sound. Then it will send the sound to the inner ear. From the inner ear will send the message to the brain through these nerves, and brain will help you to hear that sound. Okay, so this is how we hear a sound. Let's revise it. The outer ear will collect the sound and it will send to the inner ear. From the inner ear, the messages will be sent to the brain, and brain will help us to identify or hear the sound. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay.
Start.
So we have done with our two sense organs, eyes and ears. Let's move for nose. How we smell different objects. See, the smell of any object reaches to our nose. The smell of any object reaches to our nose, and the nerves of the nose send the signals to the brain, and this is how we identify different smells. Okay, so how we identify different smells? The smell of any object reaches to our nose, and the nerves of the nose sends the signals or the messages to the brain, and this is the procedure how we smell different objects. Okay.
Start.
As we have done all three sense organs, let's go for the next one, that is our skin. How we are able to feel different things. See, our skin have different tissues. So these tissues are sending signals to the brain, and brain help us to react accordingly. Okay, let's go for tongue. We have different taste buds like spicy, salty, bitter, sweet. So these are the taste we can taste with our taste buds. So these taste buds sending messages through the nerves to our brain, then brain help us to act according to the taste. So in this video we have done with our external organs like head, eye, ear, nose, hand, legs, and we have done with the sense organs also. So we have mainly 5 sense organs. Let's talk about differently abled people. See, look, I am proper. I have 2 eyes. Those are functioning properly. I have 2 legs. I have 2 hands. That means I just want to say that I have all the body parts which are functioning properly. But in our society, some of the people are not having all the body parts. Those are working properly. So these people are called differently abled people. Differently abled people. They are called differently abled people. Okay. So these differently abled people can work properly with full of confidence when we are going to help them and we need to support them. So our Government of India has passed Persons with Disabilities Act. Persons with Disabilities Act in 1995. What is this act? This act is making them able to approach in every aspect, and they can go for any job what a normal person can. So Person with Disabilities Act is passed in 1995 by the Government of India. Okay.
Start.
Let's talk about how to take care of different sense organs. Why it is important to take care of anything? If we are not going to take care of anything that will be damaged, then we have to search for it again, and it is not necessary that we are going to the same thing. And with our sense organs, it is very risky. So we should take care of sense organs. So taking care of our sense organs. What we should do and what we should not do. First one is, we should not watch television or use mobile for a long time because it can harm to our eyes. We should not insert any pointed object, or we should not hear a very loud music because that can damage our hearing ability. And we must keep our skin clean and healthy. Why we should take a bath every day? Because it removes the germs, the dirt from our body. So it is important. Nowadays it is very important in Corona days. Yes. So in every 20 minutes we should wash our hands with a soap or with a sanitizer. We should sanitize our hands. We must scrub our tongue while we are brushing our teeth, and we should brush our teeth at least twice a day. Yes, of course. So these are the basic things in which we have to
Start.
let's have a quick revision what we have done today. We have done with our external organs, okay, in which we have studied about the sense organs also, how they are working, the sense organs, in which we learn a new term, that is nerves. And this is very important to send the signals to our brain, and brain will react accordingly these sense organs. Then differently able people, okay, then take care of our sense organs, taking care of our sense organs.